Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the top 5 gardening trends for sustainable living in 2025. Let's dive right in. Gardening is more than just a hobby, it's a lifestyle, especially when it comes to sustainability. Our first trend is all about native plants and reduced lawns. Say goodbye to those high-maintenance non-native plants like impatiens and chrysanthemums. Instead, embrace drought-tolerant, pest-resistant native plants that support local ecosystems. It's time to rethink those sprawling lawns too. Consider alternatives like clover lawns, mini meadows, or expanding your garden beds to conserve water and boost biodiversity. Next up, we have organic practices and repurposing. Ditch those chemical pesticides that harm beneficial insects and opt for natural pest control methods like row covers, companion planting, and neem oil. Composting yard waste is a fantastic way to enrich your soil and create natural fertilizer. And don't forget, transitioning from synthetic fertilizers to organic options like compost and aged manure will do wonders for your soil health in the long run. Moving on to trend 3, drought-tolerant and xeriscape gardens. Embrace drought-tolerant plants like four-nerve daisies, blackfoot daisies, rock rose, and mealy blue sage. Xeriscaping principles can help you minimize irrigation needs through thoughtful design and plant choices. And remember, xeriscaping isn't just about succulents and agaves. There are so many diverse options to explore. Our fourth trend is edible and functional landscapes. Imagine having a foraging garden filled with berry bushes, herbs, and fruit trees. It's a great way to connect with your food sources and promote family interaction. Another idea is to replace traditional fences with living fences using plants like sea buckthorn, rosemary, or hardy fuchsia. These not only provide privacy and noise reduction, but also create habitats for wildlife. Last but not least, Trend 5 is all about wellness and community. Designate calming wellness spaces in your garden with lush greenery, soft ground cover, and privacy nooks for relaxation. Also, consider community-focused gardens that utilize natural elements and foster connection among neighbors. Now let's talk about why these trends are so important. With new sustainability regulations, plastic bans, and waste reduction policies, it's crucial for both consumers and businesses to adapt. Embracing these trends means lower maintenance, reduced water bills, and a healthier environment. Plus, it aligns perfectly with the upcoming sustainability regulations. And speaking of eco-friendly solutions, don't forget to check out Ziparoos eco-friendly reusables. They're making a big impact in reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Links are in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Let's make our gardens greener and our planet healthier. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates on sustainability trends and policies. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.